Hey my love, so today we are doing a scalp cleanse. So I'm using the Taraji P Henson scalp and hair scrub. What I'm using right now is the sugar-based scalp and hair scrub. It has sugar crystals, apple cider vinegar, and coconut and peppermint oil. It smells very, very good. It's a very thick consistency. It has the two-prong applicator on it. Very strong. The peppermint oil does really, really good on my scalp. As you can see, I wetted my hair first just to get it evenly wet. And I'm scrubbing my scalp. Make sure I'm working that in there. The peppermint oil is very, very strong, so you will feel tingle in your scalp, which is very good for your hair. If you have sensitive scalp like me, I really recommend you guys using this Forever Salty Taraji P Henson hair and scalp scrub. It smells amazing, and yeah, you guys, so we're just working that in there. Make sure you're getting your edges, especially with the whole product use and build up that I had over the past 3 months. I really just wanted to work that in directly into my scalp. Focus on your scalp. Healthy scalp is the best thing for your dreads. So that's what I'm doing, just working it in there. And yeah, you guys, just get that in there. This is a vegan-based product, so again, it's mineral oil free, sulfate free, SLS and SLES free. Again, it has coconut, peppermint oils, apple cider vinegar, and sugar crystals. So again, very healthy for your scalp, vegan-based, and it's for all hair types. So the next product I'm using is the Make It Rain Hydration Rich Conditioner, which is for hydrating your hair, smoothing, and detangling. Again, this is also for all hair types. Again, this is a vegan-based product. It has olive oil in it, avocado, and it's very good. Smells just as great as the Never Salty hair scrub. And what I'm doing, I'm just running it through my hair. I'm squeezing it into my buds, making sure that the conditioner is evenly put into my hair as well as the scalp, but I'm also making sure it's in the shaft of my hair. So just squeeze it in there. Just make sure it's evenly in your hair. Rub it through. Focus on your scalp. You just want a healthy scalp. That's it. Focus on the scalp. Again, this is just a scalp video just showing you how I clean my mini locks in my beginner stage, just using my conditioner and my scalp scrub. I only wash my hair every other month, like 1 time a month, depending on how my scalp is feeling. I decided to use this scrub because I have had a lot of product buildup over the past 2 months. I haven't washed my hair since getting my locks, so this was a time to use the product, and my hair turned out very, very good. It's very soft. It feels clean. My scalp is happy. I don't have any itch or anything like that, so I really recommend using the Taraji P Henson hair products for your hair. Now, I do want to make it clear with the Never Salty scalp and hair scrub, it do have little beads, so you do want to use your sprayer just to make sure you get it all out of your hair. Evenly spray it throughout your hair. Don't do no shortcuts because it does tend to stick to your scalp just based on how thick it is. So yeah, use that sprayer, girl. Get that out of there. And this is how my hair looks after the wash and scrub. Very soft. My coils, some came down, but my scalp feels happy. And you guys, this is the final look. We're going to bring this back up. This is the look after a wash. a scalp scrub, and a retwist. And I have my scarf on, so my hair's a little flat, but this is the look. This is the look. And this will be, we are in our 3rd month today of being locked in. And girls, get into it. Get into the locks. Alright, y'all, so I'll see you later. Hope you enjoy the washing video, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, I will see you girls later. Bye, lock loves.